Hey everyone, it's Sophia here, and today I'm taking you on a wonderful beach walk. Before we begin exploring, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Your support means the world to me and helps me continue to bring you more fantastic content like this. As we stroll along this stunning beach, the first thing that captures my attention is the gorgeous ocean view. The water is a vibrant shade of blue, and the gentle waves create a soothing ambience. The sand underfoot is warm and inviting, making our walk even more enjoyable. There are quite a few people out here today, which shows just how popular and beloved this beach is. It's great to see families, friends, and couples all sharing this beautiful space and creating lasting memories. The atmosphere is filled with laughter and the sounds of people enjoying themselves. While we walk, let's chat about some fun beach facts. Did you know that the color of the sand can vary greatly depending on the minerals found in the area? For instance, some beaches have black sand, which is typically due to volcanic activity, while others have pink sand, which is caused by crushed coral and shells mixing with the sand. Another interesting thing to note is the importance of beach conservation. Many beaches around the world are facing threats like erosion and pollution, so it's crucial that we all do our part to keep these beautiful environments clean and protected for future generations to enjoy. Well, that wraps up our beach walk for today. I hope you had a great time exploring with me and learning some interesting facts about beaches. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment below telling me about your favorite beach experiences. Until next time, take care and happy exploring.
Cerveza beer.